very important in the today's market. So it will impact like how it will impact in the positive, negative, the neutral way to the market, and you will get a very good opportunity, and you will like it will help to to book your profit at the time, right? So we'll take for the 1 minute to let everyone can join, and on the meantime please let us know like in which language you're comfortable with. So should I use the in only in English, or also uh, should I use of Hindi as well? Please write down in the question box, and after 1 minute we will start the webinar. Okay, thanks everyone. So we'll do this webinar on English. Thanks for your contribution. And yes, so let's start the session. So before start the session, I'll let you know how you can offer the ProTerminal basically. So we do have two platform. One is our Empower, that is a basic platform, and another one is our ProTerminal as an advanced trading platform, right? So in the basic platform you can only do the buy and selling, like you can you can buy the stocks and you can sell off the stocks, and you can see the P&L, demat statement and all, but you can't study the fundamental studies or technical studies in our Empowered. So that is available in our ProTerminal. This is our advanced trading platform. We can analyze your stock scripts. You can create your own opportunity in the market, as well as you can get a whole updates of the market as well, right? So how you can offer the ProTerminal? So don't do have a, if you don't have a ProTerminal access in your account, so you can access by the two ways. One is you have to click on the product. In the product itself, you have to go to the first column, that is the ProTerminal over here. So that is a hashtag go digital in the below, and that you can find the ProTerminal. Just click on the ProTerminal, and from here you can subscribe with the ProTerminal in your account. So basically you have to write down your user ID, password, date of birth, and just click on the terms and condition. Click on the subscribe now. The charges of the ProTerminal is 1,999 for the 1 year with GST, as with the GST, and by the within the 48 hours your ProTerminal will be active in your account. Another ways you can, if you already have a derivative privilege in your account, so you can also take a derivative plan. In that we have a limited offers going on, so you just go to the derivative value plans over here. Just click on the derivative value plans, and here you can see the 199 plus GST. We are giving a free ProTerminal for the 1 year itself. So if you don't have access, so if you have any queries, so you just contact your respective relationship manager, so they can help you out. So how you can access to the ProTerminal? So basically when you log in into an account, so when if you click into the account, and you have to write down your credentials over here. Then after the OTP will generated, so you have, after the authentication, you can log in into your empowered platform. So this is our basic platform, right? So we have a one more platform called the invest sites. In that also you can switch to the pro terminal as well, but as of now I'm just giving the example with the empowered. So here you can see the in the menu option, in the blue ribbon you can find the pro terminal option. So if you already have a access, just click on the pro terminal, it will switch the it will switch to the advanced trading platform without any put record credentials and password. So basically you have to put one time password. If you want to log in directly to the pro terminal, you have to click proterminal dot hdfcsec.com. Okay, so this is the platform. So for the small introduction I will give the about the pro terminal. So basically pro terminal is a platform that for the healthy investor to understand that in-depth analysis of market. Not only that, it help our researcher, trader, analyst to know the past, present and future of the market. The state of the art system designed for performance, reliability and accuracy, gather data from thousands of sources from all over the world, presenting ready to use in real time information to the users. So the pro terminal will basically gather news related using advanced or technical techniques or mathematically algorithm, helping you to take an accurate decision in the market basically. So what pro terminal will do in normal layman language, that it will it will know to help to take a decision making, whether you are want to go for the short term trading or whether you whether you want to go for the long term investment. So it will help you with the fundamental analysis, also with the technical analysis basically. And if you someone want to do for the day trading, that is also very helpful to them. They will get a greater opportunity, because in that we have many more studies like a VWAP, golden pivots and all, golden crossovers and pivot levels and everything we are providing in the screen in the real time information, right? So as you know that pro terminal is like fundamentals, help you the giving you the fundamental studies as well as technical studies. Likewise we also giving you the update about the news. So basically many most investors are look up for the news into the money control or economic times, financial express and also there are the like you have a limited, like you can check only limited sites for the news and action. So but for example, if you have any news in any particular sites and that news that particular stock already have in your account, that news is has been missed because you are not following that site. So that means you are like that will losing your opportunity, right? So that's why what we are doing in the pro terminal, we have tracked the 35,000 plus website along with the NSE and BSE site as well, to help you, you know it will help you to understand, it will track to the on the real time informations, and it will get the whole information in the one platform, and that is the beauty of this platform. So as you can see on the screen, this is a watch list itself. So in the last webinar also we have covered the many more like watch lists. In that you can, so I will just give the overview. So what you can check it out in the watch list. So basically in our empowered you can add only 50 scripts in the watch list, right? But in the pro terminal you can add up to 250 scripts with the 5 different buckets. So that's the like means you can you can uh, like we can maximize your, you can add your scripts in your watch list itself, and that will very helpful. You can also you can bucketly you can segregated in the this way, so that is like it will helpful to you to easily track it down your favorite script, correct? Next, you can also watch it at the predefined views in the watch list. So if you don't know how to, if you are the basic trader, you don't know how to plot the charts in plot studies in the charts, or if you want to see the fundamentals numbers of our of our particular scripts, so you can also watch it at the predefined views. Like you can see the in the predefined, in the default. So you just click on the technical, you can also find the technicals. So it is ready-madely giving in our pro terminal itself. So by this you can take the positions in the from the watch list. So you don't have to go to the charts and put all the studies and all. So it will save your time and you can create the opportunity in this by the help of the pro terminal. Similarly, you can also watch it out. If you can also watch the financial of the company, so you can see the financial. We basically we predefined which are giving in the 5 different parameters. So they are the technicals, returns, financial growth, and values. Whatever you want to see the numbers of the your favorite stocks. So directly you can add your scripts into the watch list, and you can you can study the whole views of the from the predefined view from the predefined view itself. And if you want to if you don't know like which stock you want to invest on, which stock you want to script, because there is a 3000 plus script into the market, right? So you can, it's very impossible to track the every stock. So that's why we also give the predefined stock predefined watch list. Like you can see in the, I just, you have to click on the filter, and you can see the NSE equity is there, right? There's the NSE equities there. So from here you can also watch the whole stocks, like which stock is a very most active. So you can also want to filter the which stock have a very, like, most volume, most active. So you can also filter it from here itself, like volume gainer, price loser, and you also can, you can drag it out from here itself, right? So this is the overview of what, there's a many more features in the last webinar also we have discussed on this, right? Next, after we can directly go for the news section. So as you can see, news over here. So basically the thing is, as you know, the news is very important, right? So that's why we have segregated news in the 3 different section. So as in, like, our news application keep tabs on millions of sources, like, so millions of sources globally to capture the update on corporates, currency, and global market in the real time. So in our revolutions, so it's give the sentimental analysis and news analysis over tagging the clustering over the discovery engine. So does all the heavy lifting for you, help you to make a sense of millions of rows news into data points. So trending news widgets, monitors, white label media house globally into real time to show the news update to all the listed companies in India. So basically we gather the data all from 35,000 plus websites, as I already said. So here you can find all the raw data of the news over here. So like example, so we have basically captured the two news. One is article news, that basically whatever news is published on the Economic Times, Money Control, or Financial Express. Like, so these are the news which are like traditional news which are following in the newspaper. Another news is very important, is called the social media news. Mainly we are targeting the Twitter. So what if any companies or any big researcher tweeting about any like particular thing regarding to the market, that will be published on this particular section, as you can see. And these are all are using in the real time information. That means you will be get you can get a real time update. Like for example, as you can see on the screen, uh, in the 1118, the available finance limited have a compliance news over here. That means, so this news has been segregated into 3 different sentiments: positive, negative, and neutral, which will impact into the market. So let's take the positive. Let's take the positive sentiments. So you can filter out in the this color. So if you want to see the positive sentiments, click on the positive sentiment over here. So all the positive news will be reflect on the screen. As you can see, the Adani Enterprise Limited have a news in the 1116. The share market highlights, the Nifty closes above. So if you want to see the whole article of this news, you have to just click on this article, and it will redirect to that page, and you can study the whole news over there. It's this news has been published on the Financial Express. So basically those guys who don't follow the Financial Express over here, so they can easily track it down, like, yes, this news, so you can't miss any news from the ProTerminal. So that is the beauty of this platform. Similarly, you can also watch other streaming news over here. So, for example, any company or any government, like any companies or government or any big researcher tweeting about anything regarding to the regarding to the financial. So that will publish in the market, because we are also tracking the Twitter as well. So, for example, Western Express Industries Limited. So if you want to see the whole tweet over here, just click on see the real time. It has been updated over here. So for example, it's a OpenAI Inc. the frenzy investment. So if you want to watch out the whole tweeting about it, just click over here and it will redirect to the Twitter. So basically, so I do have a restriction in my system, so you can watch it out from there itself, right? Also, you can watch out the corporate action over here. So any corporate action has been announced into the market, right? For example, any corporate action is updating on the BSE, the real time we will also updating in the ProTerminal itself. So you don't have to go to the BSE and check the all the details. So all the information is available also in our ProTerminal. See, OK Play India Limited have giving the acquisition shares of takeover. So there's a corporate announcement of the takeover over here. Right now, the news has been published from the State Bank of India. The Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas advisor TI Clean Mobility of ANR 125 crore. So if you want to see the whole article of this news, just click on the news and it will redirect to that page, and you can see the whole articles from there itself. And this is a basically legality news. So it's a this news has been published on legaldesire.com. So I think most of investors don't know about this website. So yes, so we are tracking only genuine website. Okay, all that whatever domain we are tracking, all are the genuine domain. So don't worry about it. So you will not go to the third party websites or very fishy website. Don't worry about it. We are only tracking the this website like which do have a like real domain website basically. Correct. Next, we will move to the recommendations over here. So, as you know, the ProTerminal is not giving a recommendations about HDFC security. Also, we are providing the other broker recommendation to get a more assurity. So, for example, ICICI Securities giving you the recommendations of CET Limited to hold. ICICI also give you the Larsen and LNT limited buy. So like in the like HDFC Security also giving the recommendation of LNT like last week. So if you want to see the whole article, what is the target of this particular stock, what the ICICI giving the target, so you have to just click over here in this icon. If you click in this icon, it will redirect to the page as you can see on the screen. The ICICI Securities publish this news on the Economic Times. So you can take your position. So basically, you will get a more assurity. So not only broker house, we are also giving the recommendation of the analyst as well. So basically, right now there is no analyst over here to give the recommendation of the past 24 hours. But yes, we are tracking the big analysts Sudeep Bhattacharya, Prakash Gaba, you can say, right? So basically we are giving the recommendation not from the HDFC Securities, but also we are giving a recommendation of other booking house, but they're giving you the more assured to take the position in the market. Similarly, we also giving the information of the bulk list, whatever bulk list has happened in the market. So we are giving the all the details with the company name and investor name and how much quantity they have buying and selling. So if you are if you are following any shocks, so basically you can find it out like which what the heavy selling or heavy buying is happening in the market. You can take the position accordingly for the transition bulk deals. Okay, so basically we have covered this macro level news. Another, we will move to the global market. So basically we also not tracking the Indian market, as well as we are also tracking the global market like SGX, Nifty, Dow Jones, Nasdaq. As you know, there's an impact like global market. Today the global market is very very impactful, right? So it will impact the Indian market, so you can also predict how the market will open it or gap up or gap down basically. So as you can see on the screen, there's a like we have also tracking all the world market as well. And if you are confusing with the name, like which country have a which market, so you can also watch it out on the map view. So if you have to click on the map view, so it will show into the map like which country have a which market. So if you want to see the US market, Nasdaq or Dow Jones, so let's, if you want to understand the Nasdaq, just click on the Nasdaq and it will move to the it will give the whole news regarding to the Nasdaq. You can take the position. Also, it will create the exposure to invest into the global market, basically. So HDFC Securities is also providing the to open a global market investing account as well. So you can also check it out. You can also check it out with your relationship manager, so they can help you out in that. And yes, so in the, if you want to get a more exposure, more opportunity into the world market, so you can watch from here from the global market news, and you can find it out the opportunity. Next, you can see the my portfolio news, basically. So what's the my portfolio news? The portfolio news, like whatever, suppose example, you do have a 25 strips into the market, right? So like you don't want to see the other news, you only want to get an update of that 25 scripts whatever you have already in the portfolio. So that news, so we will fetch your script name from your from their portfolio, and what we'll do, we will analyze the data from the market, and whatever update will be like whatever news will update in the market, so that will be reflect on this particular section area. So basically, for example, you do have a Infosys or Reliance as well, and you do have a Mahindra, Tech Mahindra, any other XYZ company. So if you have a like Infosys, they announcing the dividend. So they announced the dividend at that particular time. That news will be updated in this particular section. If any regulatory news or legal news and any kind of news, if regarding to your stock which are already hold in your portfolio, we will fetch the data and we will directly reflect on this particular screen with your particular that. And we can also redirect that particular you can want to see that news, you just redirect the data and it will redirect to the sites, and you can watch out the full news over there. Okay, so likewise, we have completed the news section over here. So if you have any queries, if you have any questions, and just write down in the question box, so we'll answer one by one. Okay. Shomitra ma'am is asking where we can see the past and recent webinar. Ma'am, actually, you can also watch it out from the YouTube as well. So we have also operate in our YouTube channel in the HDFC Securities. You can also watch it out the past and recent webinar of the ProTerminal as well. And yes, you can check out from there. And also we have a webinars on the Monday and Thursday, so please stay tuned with us, so you will get an update and you can also watch it on the live webinar. Okay. Rajalingam sir is asking how to place stop loss in already lying position. So it's very easy. Whatever position you have already do, it will reflect on your net position or open position, right? So you can, if you already have an open position from there. So for example, I don't have, this is a dummy account, so I just give you the example. For example, Reliance Industry, I give the example of Reliance Industries. So if you already have a like have a Reliance Industries in your account, so if you want to put a stop loss, just click on the sell button. After that, whatever quantity you do have, just click on the quantity over here and set. Just click on the order type stop loss. Just click on the stop loss and write on the price and the trigger price over here. And after that, you can place the order from here itself. That's it. You can put the stop loss. Mukesh sir is asking, please show how one example of how to directly sell from ProTerminal. So the same post you can sell out from the ProTerminal itself. So if you want to go for the short selling, or you want to uh, like already position you already have, you want to put the like selling position, want to trade other than the selling. Please elaborate your question. Okay, Anand sir is asking, unable to find the basket that I have subscribed for Basant Maheshwari Nifty Top. It is not listed when I log in. So basically, like if you want to see the basket, like if you subscribe for the small case, right? So if you want to see the basket, so you can watch it out from the, you just click on the empowered, you can switch to the empowered, and you can watch it out from the that small case itself. You have to just click on the baskets investing. If you click in the basket investing, or it will show you which basket you have loaded. You can't see from the pro terminal. Yes, but if you have a, like, whatever you are like stock already come in your demat through the basket investing, so you can watch it out from the portfolio itself, but you can't see the overall basket. So if you want to see the overall baskets over there, you just switch to the empowered, and you can see from the basket investing. So Shomitra ma'am is asking how to keep stop loss in option in the overnight. Stop loss option. So basically, ma'am, you can't, if you put a stop loss over here, so you can also uh, like you can't put stop loss for the overnight. So if you put a stop loss today, so if it not hit, so it will be expired by the when the market will off. So you can't put a stop loss in the overnights, man. Okay, Mukesh sir is giving me example, like I have a 320 shares of Reliance Industries. I want to sell 20 shares from it. Sir, it is very easy. Let's take the example of Reliance Industries, and you want to put a stop loss order for the Reliance, right? You want to put a sell order. Just click on the sell, right? You just click or whatever segment you want to choose, NSE or BSE. The example, I just take the exam NSE, quantity would be 20. Just click on the order type stop loss, and whatever stop loss you want to put. Example, right now the market is going on 2412, so I want to put the stop loss of like 2300, and you can put a trigger price of 2300, whatever, like or two like point. You can put the differentiate of the 0.5 example, and you can place the order from here. You can put a stop loss by sorry, sell order. um Mukesh sir, if you want to if you want put a target for the Reliance, you can also set a layer, like you can just set your quantity over here, and after that you can set a limit, and you can put the price, and you can place the order. That's it. So you can also sell directly from here. So if you want to put the stop loss, you have to just click on the stop loss, and if you want to put the target, just click on the limit. That's it, and you can just place a order. It will be order will be directly placed, and you can watch it in the order book. Rajalingam sir is asking, is there a place where I can see the subscription status? For now, I can how know the based on derivative brokerage charge. Sir, you can also you can check with your respective relationship manager. So your relationship manager can help you out. Any other questions? So I can answer. Okay. So thank you so much for everyone to join this webinar. As you know, the ProTerminal is not a like it's a very big subject. It cannot be covered in one webinar. But I hope that I have tried my best to cover the basic feature of the ProTerminal regarding the news and recommendations. So, and I made all your doubts clear. Thank you very much for the joining us, and have a wonderful trading ahead. And stay tuned with us for the next webinar. And if you have any queries and doubts, just contact your relationship manager as well. And yeah, thank you so much. Also, if you have any doubts regarding for the any features, just check out our YouTube channel as HDFC Securities. You can check it out from there. And yes, thank you so much, and great day ahead. Just to trade, do trade with the ProTerminal. Thank you so much. Thank you.